Maasim.
Pagpidap na aasiman. Remember, there's still salt.
Tapos sila parang wala lang.
Awa.
Kuha tayo ng mangga. Ito na lang. Wait lang. Relax lang kayo dyan. Tingnan natin kung hindi kayo maasiman nito.
After we try, no, we're going to see your reaction first. And then me and Mario.
My reaction first.
Yeah. Ladies first.
Ladies first. Mangilo ang natin nito mamaya. Okay. Kuya Matthew will eat. What is that? Green mango. Yeah.
With salt.
With salt. Nagustuhan niya. Parang wala mo reaction yung mukha niya. Parang hindi siya naasiman. Hindi siya naasiman. Maasim yung mangga, hindi siya naasiman. Parang wala lang Hala. Maubos niya na. The big one. Hala ka. Mangilo yung iban mo niyan mamaya.
What?
I said you have no reaction. That is very sour. And then your face look like normal. Normal. Wala talagang reaction na naaasiman. Wala ka.
How many did I eat?
I don't know. I just watch your face here in the cell phone.
10.
10? Oh, you eat more.
1?
You try that one.
This one?
No, the bone. You bite. Bite. So I can see your reaction.
The bigger? It's a bone!
No, I still have.
It's a bone.
Oh, it's okay. Just leave that one.
2.
Wala man siya reaction. Naubos niya na. Wala man lang Ikaw nga, Mau. Try mo nga yung isa.
You're going to lose all your money.
Try mo yung isa, Mau.
Ha?
Oo.
Maliit.
Yeah, I will see Maureen reaction. Hala, one more.
Isa ba? Yeah.
Wala.
Look at Marim.
Walang reaction. Ako nga. Lugi ako sa inyo ah. Maasim.
Okay, that's naasiman. Remember, there's still salt.
Tapos sila ano, parang wala lang.
I want more. I want no more. Demo.
Maalat. That's why, because it's salty.
Why?
That's why pala.
Why?
It's salty.
Why? Salt is sour.
Yeah, salty and sour. Let's try ano without salt. Let's make another video. Let's try without salt. Salty pala siya, kaya pala oh, parang wala lang sa kanila. Pero maasim siya kahit ano, kahit maalat.